Good evening. Welcome to Ektra TV's Commodity News at 5. So every day we discuss about crude oil's price behavior. Before we go to crude oil's price behavior, I want to educate you on how to trade. And whenever you wanted to take a long buy and sell, you should do it only when the price is breaking the resistance level, as well as when it's taking the support, and going on the upside. Whenever you want to go short, wait for an opportunity to break the support level and goes down, you can go short. Similarly, when the price is moving up, wait for an opportunity where it can go close to the resistance level and start coming down. You can take this as a second opportunity to go short. This is how we should trade. So we will have a look at the big picture as well as the moving to crude oil chart. Yes. On the crude oil chart, the big picture, I hope you remember what I discussed with you yesterday. And for this up move, the retracement point of view, look at Fibonacci retracement 38.2 is the 3120. That is where yesterday it took the support and started moving. It went up to 3179. Yesterday there was a very good chance for you to make a profit. And similarly today also the upside continues. It can be a big up move today if at all this 3120 is intact. There will be a big up move awaiting. Okay, so this is what the intraday picture. Even it can go to 3300 level. If 3300 is broken, then there could be another 50, 60, 70 points up can also happen in one stroke. Okay, this is the big picture. We will go to the hourly chart, try to understand where it is. Just I am showing you the hourly chart now, showing you the support level. Support level is 3120. Already I have drawn the support level. So when it takes the support and goes up by, that is 3120, we can buy. So I have drawn another slope connecting the tops, and it is the resistance line where today it is breaking the resistance. Anything above this 3180 could be a strong buy. The stop loss is 3120. The 60.600 rupees mini risk you will have to take. So even it falls, you can take another lot here closer to this with a small risk, but 3120 should be a strict stop loss. So on upside, once it start moving, 3220 first target level can move, and 3240 50 levels. So once it is broken, it can jump to 3300. That's how it is behaving now. I hope and make a successful trade. If you like this video, please subscribe and refer to your friends to subscribe, and make liking, as well as put your comments. Ask your friends also put comments on this. So make a positive thinking group. That is the motive we have. Thank you very much.